If your TikTok application is not working on your mobile device, you need to follow the simple steps. First, go ahead and check your internet connection. Make sure that your Wi-Fi connection is stable, strong, and reliable. And if your Wi-Fi is not working, you can try turning on your phone data. And you can also try turning on the flight mode for a few seconds and turn it back off. Another thing you can do is go ahead and tap and hold onto this application. Tap on the eye icon in the top and then scroll down and go to storage. Click on clear cache. You can also try clearing the data, but this will remove all the files, settings, accounts, and databases. So you need to be very careful regarding this. Come back, try for stopping this application and re-enable it again. And make sure that you've given all the permissions to this app. And go to the battery section. Make sure that it's set to optimized or unrestricted. Come back. Close this window and open your Play Store or App Store according to your device. Go to the search bar, type in TikTok application, and if you see an update button instead of open, go ahead and tap on update in order to update it to its latest and newest version available. Another thing you can do is you can try uninstalling the TikTok application completely from your device and reinstall it using the Play Store or App Store with its latest and newest version. So that's it for this video. I hope you found this helpful. If you did, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.